Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to filter direct messages from non-friends on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile and now click privacy and safety, and here you will find explicit image filter, and just click filter direct messages from non-friends, and that's it. That's how to filter direct messages from non-friends on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.